Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to be working on an HP M1212 printer. We're going to be showing you how to clean the scanner glass. So if you've ever noticed that whenever you send a print job to your printer from your computer, and everything comes out just fine, but as soon as you go to make a scan or a copy of that same document, then you start getting blemishes, lines, things like that on the page. That's going to indicate that there's something dirty on your scanner glass. So depending on what part of the scanner you're using, whether you're feeding the documents through the top document feeder, or if you're using the flatbed scanner, it's going to kind of give you an indication what piece of glass you need to focus on. If you notice, there's two pieces of glass in the scanner. There's a little small strip on the left side. That's going to be what's used whenever you use the document feeder. So anytime you scan using the top document feeder, it's going to be using this little piece of glass on the left. And then anytime you're using the flatbed scanner, it's going to be this big sheet of glass, and it takes up most of the scanner bed. So in our case, we're having our problems when we're scanning on using the document feeder. So we're really going to focus on that little piece of glass on the left side of the printer. In order to clean it, we're going to use a lint-free cloth. Our favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner handy, you can use rubbing alcohol. It works just as well. Big tip, never apply the cleaner directly to the glass. If you apply the cleaner directly to the glass, there's a high risk of it leaking underneath the glass, and it can cause a lot of issues. So always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. And then once you have your cleaner on your cloth, we're just going to go ahead and clean that glass. We're going to be looking out for any kind of patches of ink or whiteout or tape. Things like that are really common to see. So we just want to give it a good cleaning. And you might have to do it more than once just to make sure you get everything off there. So clean it until you're happy with the way it looks. Once you don't see anything on there anymore, then you can call it good. While we're here, I recommend just going ahead and at least wiping off the flatbed scanner, even if that wasn't your main issue, just to keep it clean. There's always fingerprints and smudges and stuff on it. Alright. So overall, I'm happy with the way it looks. So what I'll do now is I'll close the top, and I'll run a couple extra copies or scans just to make sure that no blemishes or lines are still showing up. If they are, they should at least be reduced, and that means there's just a little bit that's hard to see still on the glass. You're just going to clean it one or two more times, and that should take care of it. But after that, you'll be back up and printing.